Drift Enterprise iMarketing Hub App. The pros, the cons. Drift Enterprise iMarketing Hub app is designed to transform marketing through AI-powered conversations, but is it worth the investment for large enterprises? On the positive side, Drift leverages iChatbots and automated scheduling to engage website visitors, qualify leads, and book meetings instantly. The surprising truth is that enterprises using Drift report higher conversion rates because AI identifies high-intent prospects in real time. Enterprise plans include advanced analytics, multi-user collaboration, integration with CRM systems like Salesforce, and personalized messaging based on visitor behavior. Drift also provides conversational marketing campaigns that streamline lead nurturing and sales handoffs. However, there are limitations. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI handles all customer interactions flawlessly. While Drift is powerful for lead qualification and initial engagement, complex inquiries still need human intervention. Additionally, customization of our workflows can be time-intensive, and pricing escalates with traffic volume and features, which may challenge some enterprises. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise iMarketing Hub app is ideal for enterprises looking to optimize BD lead generation and accelerate sales cycles. Its strengths lie in AI-driven conversations, integration with CRM systems, and real-time lead qualification. By combining Drift with skilled sales and support teams, enterprises can increase efficiency, improve conversion rates, and deliver a superior customer experience. For organizations aiming to maximize marketing impact with AI, Drift offers a robust enterprise-ready solution.